you have made it to the end of the scavenger hunt. Almost. We have one more thing to do. Before you leave, I need you to understand what Google Hangouts are because some of you aren't messaging me and some of you aren't messaging other people. Even Audrey's shocked. Let's be real. All right. Now, when you're on your Google homepage, boys and girls, there are 9 little squares up here in the top corner. You see where my mouse is going around in circles? Click on it, and then you're looking for something that says Hangouts. On Hangouts, I'm going to click right here, and it's going to open my Google Hangouts for messaging, voice, and video calls. Some of you have figured this out, some of you have not, but I need to know that you have figured it out. So, over here, you are going to type in my name, okay, Miss Malone, click on it, and I want you to send me a new conversation. On that conversation, I want you to write, I did it. Okay, that's going to tell me you finished every step in the scavenger hunt, so now I'm going to go check. All right? Send invite, and as soon as I see it, you bet your little booty I'm going to end up checking it. Okay? Now, thank you guys for playing. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something, and I hope this helps you get into our Google Classroom. Remember, fitness logs are due every single day, and you only need 3 of them done every week for full credit. Okay? All right. Bye, guys, and I will see you soon. I miss you very much.